Hi guys! So you just bought the daily skincare kit from Zio, and now I'm going to walk you through how to use the steps. So this is going to be the PM routine because I'm assuming you bought this during the day and we're going to get you at night. So first off, we're going to use the exfoliating cleanser. From Zio, you have the trial size. This is the large size, and we're going to use a pea size amount. Just like this, put our hands on our face. Okay, and while our face is still damp for the PM routine at night, you're going to take your exfoliation polish. This doesn't have to be done every night, but on nights when you feel like you need extra physical exfoliation, or every other night, I would say, depending on how sensitive your skin is. I take a bit. It's very grainy. We're going to rub it into specifically our T-zone, where we get a lot of congestion around our lips and chin. Really work it into these areas. Perfect. And then we're going to wash it off, and this should make your skin feel like glass. So this is what we're working with. Okay, we're going to pat dry. Okay, and now our skin is shining and it's looking beautiful. Now we're going to go in with the Complexion Renewal Pads from Zio. These are a mix of AHAs and BHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids and beta hydroxy acids. So they're going to clear the skin from the inside out. This is medicated, so you're going to take one full pad, front and back, until it's dry, all the way over the skin and down the neck, like so. Come. Okay, perfect. We're dry. Let that set for a sec and absorb. And then we are going to go in with our Daily Power Defense from Zio. So the thing about the daily skincare system is the AM and the PM routine are the same. This is the getting skin ready. So all of these items are going to prepare your skin for introducing supplementary products on top. So if you have additional concerns like aging, sun damage, brightening, we can add on to this AM and PM routine that you already have. So I've just taken a pump of Daily Power Defense, and I'm now distributing that all over my face. And that is our AM and PM routine for daily skincare. So this is how we're looking. And we're done. So I would say I'll see you in the morning, but it's the same steps. So yeah. Okay, well, good night guys.